if Bitcoin managed to break to the upside, we have got $41,000 or $42,000 work as a resistance for Bitcoin. According to this line I have got in here, which was the support for Bitcoin in the weekly time frame, if we continue to the upside, is going to be, if Bitcoin go to the upside, this area is going to be another resistance line for Bitcoin, which is going to be around the $41,000 for Bitcoin again. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about Bitcoin. Today I'm going to show you a few charts I have gotten here, which they are really important at the moment for the current price of Bitcoin. I'm going to start with the weekly time frame I have got in here. According to the weekly time frame I have got in here, actually it looks like, at least for the local bottom we are in at the moment, with this big shadow we have got to the downside. If I move this circle I have got, according to this big shadow we have got in here, and if I bring up my volume indicator in here, what we can do, we can check it out. There is a really big and massive volume for Bitcoin we have got in the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. The last time that one happened, actually it was 2021, and after that one we had at least a local bottom for Bitcoin, and after that we saw another rally to the upside to about $69,000 for Bitcoin. But what I'm going to show you in this video, actually I'm going to check the possibilities for Bitcoin, what's gonna happen for Bitcoin. If we are not that bullish, if we are not in the bull run, and we are going to see a bigger connection for Bitcoin to about $20,000 or even lower than that, nobody can say that one for sure. I'm going to check the possibility how far we can go to the upside for Bitcoin. According to the this weekly time frame I have got, this weekly chart I have got in here, if you check, we have got a really important support for Ethereum at the moment about this area, which is about $28,000 to about $29,000 in a bigger time frame in weekly. This is a really nice support area, at least for local, for temporary or short-term support for Bitcoin. And I'm expecting another leg to the upside. If I'm not saying it's going to $60,000 or $55,000, at least I'm expecting another leg to the upside for Bitcoin. After that, if we are going to see a crash, Bitcoin can make a crash from that area. How far we can go to the upside? If we use the Fibonacci retracement we have got in here in the weekly time frame chart I have got, if we go from this top I have got in here from $48,000 to the bottom, which was about $25,500 for Bitcoin, I think at least we can go back to the upside to about 50% of the Fibonacci retracement, which is about $36,800, or maybe we are going to see all the way back up to about this area, which is a really important resistance line for us as well, to about $39,000 for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin actually could manage to back to the upside, which is really possible at the moment, I think the first resistance we have got is about $36,800, and after that maybe we are going to see $39,000 for Bitcoin. That is according to the Fibonacci retracement we have got. And what do we have in here? Actually, we have got from this top, we have got from $69,000 to about $48,000. We have got another resistance line which might work as a resistance for Bitcoin. It is about $39,000 as well. That means we have got a resistance area about $39,000 for Bitcoin. But what we can do? Actually, we can have another trend line. I'm going to show you. From this top we have got in here to about this top is going to be like a parallel line with this one. Actually, as you can see, it looks like a parallel line with this one. We can do, it should be like a falling channel for Bitcoin. If we could see that one as a falling channel for Bitcoin, maybe we are going to play inside this falling channel as well. And if Bitcoin actually managed to break to the upside one more time, this falling channel, or the resistance line of this falling channel, is going to be around the $41,000 for Bitcoin. If we bring the Fibonacci retracement one more time, okay, let's see what's gonna happen. The Fibonacci retracement is showing us the 702. For actually the Fibonacci retracement is about this resistance line, or even 78% of the Fibonacci retracement is going to be around the $43,000 to about the $41,000 and 400 for Bitcoin, according to this Fibonacci retracement we have got, and this trend line we have got in here, which is the both resistance or both top we have got in here. If Bitcoin managed to break to the upside, we have got $41,000 or $42,000 work as a resistance for Bitcoin. According to this line I have got in here, which was the support for Bitcoin in the weekly time frame, if we continue to the upside, is going to be, if Bitcoin go to the upside, this area is going to be another resistance line for Bitcoin, which is going to be around the $41,000 for Bitcoin. Again, that means when Bitcoin actually could manage to break to the upside one more time, $40,000 to $41,000, between actually $39,000 to about the $42,000 is going to be a really important resistance area for Bitcoin. Okay, that is for the long term. We are checking on Bitcoin, and if I go in the short term for Bitcoin, I'm going to show you one more thing. What I'm telling you, actually, I'm expecting Bitcoin to make a rally to the upside, at least to about the $40,000, and after that, I'm not expecting Ethereum. I'm not expecting Bitcoin to break the lower prices from here. I'm expecting another leg to the upside to about the 39 or up to $42,000 for Bitcoin, and after that maybe we are going to see another crash. Okay, what do we see in this chart in the 4-hour time frame I have got in here? According to this trend line we have got, we are below this trend line at the moment. I'm expecting this one to break to the upside very soon. And if I use another trend line, what we can do in here, actually from these tops we have got in here to the bottom we have got in here, this trend line worked really nice as a support and resistance as well. As you can see, this trend line works really nice as a resistance. Now once it broke to the upside of this trend line, we have got support at this trend line again. I'm going to show you the Fibonacci retracement I already had on this chart. According to the Fibonacci retracement, we are still struggling about the $29,000 at the 50% of the Fibonacci retracement. Maybe we are going to see another pullback to the downside to about the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement, or about 78% of the Fibonacci retracement is going to be around the $27,500, which is a really previous resistance line or temporary resistance line, as you can see, or support line, sorry. After we had a really long shadow to the downside, bounce to the upside, as you can see, the $27,500 was a really nice support area. If we continue this zone to about this area, as you can see, maybe we are going to see another back test to about $27,500 area, and after that we are going to see another rally to the upside for Bitcoin. The other thing I'm going to show you why I'm still a little bit bullish on Bitcoin, to at least for the short term. The thing is, actually the USDT dominance is reaching to the resistance area. As you can see, what do I have got in here? The resistance line I have got in here. We can see USDT dominance already reached to about this resistance line, and as you can see, the previous week, last week, we had a really big shadow to the upside, and we closed below this trend line, as you can see on the chart. And I think this week it may be closing here or even lower than that. I'm expecting, at least for the short term, we are going to see a correction from USDT dominance to about the previous resistance we had, which was about a 4.8% or 5% for USDT dominance, to backtest this area, and maybe after that we are going to see another sell-off on the market and USDT dominance rise to the upside one more time. At least for short term, I'm bullish on the cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin. Actually, I'm expecting to reach to about $40,000 or $39,000 for short term at least. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you have found the video helpful, please take a second of your time and press the like button and subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel as well. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next one.